Here's how to repair and flip things on Offerup. First, you want to identify repair-worthy items. The key to successful flipping is understanding which items offer the best profit potential with minimal investment. First, you've got furniture. Look for pieces with solid construction but cosmetic damage. Scratched tabletops, worn finishes, and outdated hardware can be easily addressed with sanding, painting, or replacement. Then you've got appliances. Smaller appliances often have simple problems like faulty wiring or clogged parts that can be fixed with basic DIY skills. Larger appliances may require more expertise but offer higher profit margins. Always test appliances thoroughly before selling. Then you've got electronics, and this category can be tricky due to the potential for complex issues and scams. Focus on items with common problems like cracked smartphone screens or laptops needing hard drive replacements. Thoroughly test functionality before listing. As far as other categories go, these include sports, tools, equipment, and musical instruments. Now, as far as sourcing for repair projects, free is your friend. You want to look for giveaways on OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and FreeCycle. Friends and family can also be sources of free or low-cost items. And then you want to negotiate low prices. When browsing listings, factor in potential repair costs when making offers. You want to make sure that you're prepared to haggle and emphasize your ability to pick up items quickly so that you can secure the deal. Target specific keywords. Use terms like needs repair or for parts or broken in your OfferUp searches. Now, as far as repairing and refurbishing goes, you want to assess your skills. Start with your projects that match your skill level. Simple repairs like cleaning, tightening screws, or replacing batteries can significantly increase an item's value. You want to invest in tools and materials as well. Basic tools like screwdrivers, pliers, and a cleaning kit are essential. Depending on your focus, you might need specialized tools for electronics or woodworking. You can learn from online resources like YouTube tutorials, repair forums, or manufacturer websites, which offer a wealth of information for tackling various repairs. As far as listing and selling your refurbished items goes, high quality photos are absolutely crucial. You want to make sure your photos are well lit photos that highlight the item's condition. Use natural lighting, a clean background, and take it from multiple angles. Write detailed descriptions. Be transparent about the repairs you've made and the item's current condition. Use keywords in the titles and descriptions. Think like a buyer and include terms that they might search for. Set competitive prices. Research similar refurbished items on OfferUp and other platforms to determine a fair asking price. Consider shipping. Offering shipping can expand your customer base, but factor in costs and logistics. Provide excellent customer service. You want to make sure to respond to inquiries promptly, but be honest about any remaining flaws and strive up for positive reviews. As far as additional small tips goes, you want to start small and scale gradually. As you gain profits and experience, expand your inventory into more specialized tools and consider outsourcing certain parts. You want to stay organized by tracking your inventory, expenses, and sales, and this will help you identify profitable niches and maximize your earnings. Be aware of scams and meet buyers in safe locations. Be wary of unrealistic offers and familiarize yourself with common scam tactics. Check local regulations. Before selling certain items, ensure you're compliant with any local regulations or licensing requirements. By following these guidelines, you can turn your repair skills and entrepreneurial spirit into a profitable venture on OfferUp. Remember, success requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt in the ever-changing world of online reselling.